What's going on, everybody? It's JT from Seven Figures Marketing, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be going over my recent Clickbank results within these last 3 or 4 days from this new strategy I was trying out. But yeah, let's log into my account first. I can show y'all. Boom, 469. This was yesterday. Today is the 22nd, so it's like 5:45 in the morning. And as you can see, on the 21st, 469, then March 17th, 1176. And that's all in, 4 days from this new strategy that I tried out for myself called launch jacking. Launch jacking is basically, let's say, for instance, there's a new product, a new internet marketing product about to come out. And there's tons and if not hundreds of affiliates, super affiliates promoting the products. And hey, quit the 7 Figures Marketing course is the best course that's ever going to be released, and it comes out in 7 days. And every day you're getting emails about it, every single day. And then what you're going to do, if you're interested in something like that, what you'll do is just go on YouTube, you're going to go on Google and look for reviews. That's where I come in at. And I made a simple review on this product called the Quit 9 to 5 Academy. It's basically a, it's like an affiliate marketing product. Teaches paid traffic and just building a successful affiliate business. So I knew that the product was coming out on March 12th. And what I did was create a video review a couple of weeks before so I could position myself to get the rankings. So like I said before, when super affiliates is emailing their list, telling everybody like, hey, this the next big product coming out in 7 days, be ready, blah, blah, blah. You're going to come 9 times out of 10, go on YouTube, look for a review. And as you can see, this video, I made 2 videos actually. One was just going over what the course has to offer, and then the next video you can see right here just going over the bonuses. So like I said, videos less than 7 minutes, and then another video 5 minutes. And I was able to make, as you can see, in total, what was it, 1651. So let's refresh the screen. I don't think I did it first. See, same numbers. Do it again. Boom. So that's all you're really doing. You're just hijacking product launches. And if you want to find product launches and do the same thing I did, all you got to do is come over to a website, muncheye.com. It's another one called JV Notify Pro, where you can see all the upcoming launches. What I did, they got 2 columns. They got all launches and big launches. I just, since it was my first time trying it out, I wanted to go big. So under big launches, you will see all the products that's coming out. If you want to check out, let's check this out. So you can see the JV page. I know a product is going to be huge when, on the JV page, they offering $100,000 worth of bonuses. Because I see a lot of products in the standard launches. Let me show y'all the Quit 9 one. I know in standard product launches, the prizes may be $100 or $1,000 or something like this. They giving out a ton of, look at this. They giving out this thing just for leads. Look at this, leads prizes. They giving out, I don't even know what this is, a workstation, some advanced futuristic thing. Arcade, blah, blah. And then the sales prizes is where it get good at. You can see they giving out a whole 2018 Lexus for the top winner. For the top prize. Dodge Chargers, golf simulator, things like that. So it's going to be a big product when they offering that many bonuses. If the product is not about to do that well, how you going to offer a whole, $40,000 car on top of another car? So that was a good indicator for me that I need to make this video review right here. Now, as far as the structure of the video review, like how did I come up with it? All I did was just look at previous launches from other successful affiliates and just modeled it afterwards. After theirs. So, just going over the intro, telling them what I'm going to be talking about in the video, my bonuses that I'm giving them if they purchase from me, just going over what they offering on the sales page. Let me show you, like right here. On the Quit 9 to 5 Academy, they had a tab literally about the product. So I went and reviewed these paragraphs, went through it over and over again, made some slideshows, and basically just talking over it. You can watch the video review on my channel, Quit 9 to 5 Academy, or just search it on YouTube so you can see how I structured everything. And then my bonus page. I offered $3,000 worth of bonuses, and if they buy it from my link, they just come over to my bonus page right here. See, step 1, get Quit 9 to 5 Academy, and step 2, send me your purchase info so I can send you the bonuses. And when you're picking your bonuses, because I ain't even say that yet. But first, bonuses is what's gonna separate you from every other affiliate, because if you think about it, you see all these other affiliates promoting the same product. So why would somebody buy from you instead of them? You know what I mean? So you gotta come up with your own unique bonuses. And bonuses, the best bonuses are just bonuses that complement the product. You don't want to, since this product is about affiliate marketing, you don't want to offer a Shopify course as a bonus. You know what I mean? You just want to pick something that complemented. That's pretty much all I did. And yeah, made my video review ahead of time so I can get the early rankings. As you can see, both of my videos is ranked. And yeah, when the product launched, I didn't even make a sale. Let me go back to my stats. The product launched on March 12th, but I didn't get my first sale until the 17th. And the launch was actually over with last night on the 21st. So you can see, last day I ended up getting a sale, and 4 days prior to that. So that's pretty much the strategy, man. You just go over to Munch Eye or JV Notify Pro, look at all the launches that's coming out. So even if you can't get the rankings for a big launch, you can come over to the standard launch and still make $100 a day. Like, if you want to create like a pretty consistent income with launch jacking, you'll just do every launch that come out. To be honest, there's people making hundreds of thousands a day just doing launch jacking. So yeah, man, you pick you a product, make you a quick video review, just going over what the course has to offer and things like that. And then it'd be even better if you purchase the product so you can give a real in-depth review on how everything works and stuff like that. You make your little video review. If you don't know what to say, look at other successful affiliates doing this. You can look at my review. I mean, because it obviously make money, so it worked. And upload it on YouTube, optimize it. And yeah, man, if you did everything right, you offered some pretty good bonuses. That's hard to refuse. You will make sales. Even if you don't make sales on your first try, if you can be consistent and keep trying at it, it's going to work for you, man. Trust me. The only thing I paid for, like I said, I made this all for free. All for free. The only thing I paid for is my monthly subscription to my video editing software, which is WeVideo. I pay $15 a month for that. But I mean, other than that, this is pretty much all free money, man. Using free traffic on YouTube and Clickbank. So if you got any value out of this video, make sure to drop a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Y'all know I reply to everybody. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I like to post videos about Clickbank, CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, just making money online in general. And yeah, you can check out my CPA marketing course. First link in the description or in the comment section down below. That's all I got for this video. I'm out.